How to create public profile on Snapchat. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. As you enter the Snapchat, you want to tap on your profile that is on the top left corner. Then you want to tap on settings that is on the top right corner. Here you want to scroll down to privacy control. Now tap on see my location. Turn off your ghost mode. And if there's an option, keep the option to everyone. Now go back and tap on view my story. Then keep it to everyone if there is an option. Go back and tap on contact me. Select everyone here and then go back again. Tap on see me in quick add. Turn on this toggle button. Then go back again. Then again tap on send me notification, then turn on everyone. After that, you need to go back to your profile and then you want to scroll down and tap on my public profile. You will see this, and when you tap on three dots on the top right corner, you'll be able to set your profile and also delete your public profile by tapping on delete public profile. And that is how you can create public profile on Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.